Double tap to
Hello friends,
activate.
welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am gonna tell you about how to fix your TalkBack problem. When you just click on it, it will speak like this.
TalkBack shortcut. Settings. App. Use TalkBack.
So
On.
if you want to,
Switch. Double tap to activate.
and if you want to just turn it off, you have to go to the TalkBack. And if you want to turn it off, you have to first go to the settings, click on search, and right here TalkBack. Now you have to just press this to skip this.
Turn off talk.
Then
Turn
click on
off.
turn off,
But
then double tap. Friends, you can see TalkBack is turned off successfully. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.